Hi, in today's video I'm going to be showing you two exercises to replace the back breaking deadlift and the barbell rows, because these two exercises, when I was doing them, were essentially destroying my back. My back was hurting afterward because it's really easy to mess up the form. Even when I watched like 20 videos how to do the form correctly, it's really difficult to keep it good. But when I switched over to calisthenics exercises, I found these two exercises that are literally the exact same, target the exact same muscle groups, and I feel no back pain, no like joint pain or anything, and they are really good. So let's do the first one. The first one represents a deadlift, and if you've been watching this channel a little bit, you know that in my how to learn the front lever in 2 months video on my YouTube channel, I talked about the reverse deadlift being the best exercise to learn the front lever. So let me show you how it works. You get a shoulder width grip so your legs can fit into that little spot you created, and you hang like reversely like this. Then you go down and really stretch. Remember to lock out at the top. Don't do this. Do this. This can get blood into your face, but don't worry, that's completely normal. And I know that most people can't do this exercise without a resistance band, so I'm going to show you how to use one. You should have like a bigger ass for this, so the band doesn't slip like this. But you put it over here, hang it over the bar, secure it, and do the exercise. Like this. You can rewatch this clip a couple of more times to get the good form. Now the second exercise is going to replace the barbell rows. So let me show you also how we do it with the resistance band. You put the resistance band around like this, hang it over, grab it, and do this. When you do these, try to really touch your stomach, and when you have a closer grip, it's easier than when you have a normal grip, and having a wider grip is much harder than having like a normal or close grip. As you may realize when you do this exercise, the band doesn't really help you at the top. It helps you here, but here it just like hangs, as you can see. So here the resistance can be like 5 kilograms, 2 kilograms, 1 kilogram, 0. So that's why you should anchor a band from the ceiling. This is a thicker one. This is for a different exercise, but I can show you with this one. Put it like this on your lower back. Make sure to straddle your legs a little bit because it can just boom slide from your ass. So get a grip, straddle, and row. And also try to not do this, because when you go and you try to touch it with your stomach and you end up ruining your form. Try to keep like your entire back parallel to the floor. So if you like these two exercises, like, subscribe, comment. You can watch some of my videos. I hope they will help you because some of them are about calisthenics. And I hope you grow some big back muscles with this exercise, and see you later. Bye. Take care.